Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Summary. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Git on your computer. Okay, first of all, you just open Google Chrome or any web browser and then just go to Git, search for Git, and then click on Git. The URL should be git-scm.com. And then click on Download for Windows. And then click on 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Okay, it should be a standard alone installer. Okay, after the installer is done, you just go to the folder, which is the download folder. You just click on over here, and then you just double click on the files and press yes to authorize your computer to install the files. And then click next, and then this is the path that you want to install the program on. And then click next and click next and click next and click next and click next, 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 and click on install. And click finish. This is just only the document about the version of Git that we have installed on our window. Okay, you can close it and close it. After the installation is done, if you press shift and right click, you will see open Git bash here or open Git URI here. Okay, you can open Git bash here, click on it, and then it will open the terminal like this. You can check the Git version by type Git and version. Hit enter, it will show the Git version that have installed. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, feel free to click like, subscribe, and comment down below.